better to get your tickets on your laptop or on your phone? Honestly, it depends which website you've been assigned to. With Access, a lot of people actually had issues with their laptop using their Wi-Fi, so they use their phone and mobile data, and they managed to get tickets quicker by doing that. Now with Ticketmaster, I tried accessing the sale on both my phone and on my laptop for 2 separate dates, and honestly, they were pretty similar. They were like, the only issue I had is that I was actually on a train when I was trying to do it on my phone, so the signal kept dropping in and out. So make sure that you just have a solid signal, and honestly, it doesn't matter whether you use your laptop or your phone. Overall, I prefer my laptop because obviously when I'm on my phone, I want to do other things, say if I'm in the queue for a while, so I do overall prefer my laptop because I can then do stuff on my phone. And I also find it easier to copy and paste the code as well, and I find it easier if you just have another tab with the code on there. I just think it's easier on there overall, but again, it's kind of up to you on what you prefer and what is easiest for you, like putting your details in. Obviously everyone has different experiences, so please feel free to share your experience in the comments so we can help more people, whether they are trying in the Midnight's pre-sale or the general sale next week.